Plant life produces oxygen, and the sky is clear with oxygen levels rising. And when oxygen is at 0% and goes from 1 to 2%, that's enough to clear the skies. And then we can make out the stars, the moon, and the sun as they take their course in the sky. And this is essential for what comes on day 5, which is life in the seas and life on land in day 6. Animals need to notice where the heavenly bodies are in order to feed, in order to migrate, in order to mate. It's an essential precursor or prerequisite to life forming on day 5. So we have the Avalon and the Cambrian explosion. We're going to focus in on the Cambrian explosion, which was the great explosion of life, or the what's called the Big Bang of life on Earth, where life came into existence in the oceans. And this is complex life. This is not bacterial or, very small, simple life, but complex life with most of the major body plans, or what's known as phyla, that exist today, came about in the oceans. So we have the Cambrian explosion, and most of the major animal phyla body plans appeared in a time period equal to less than 0.5% of the Earth's total history within a 20 million year time span on a 4.6 billion year old Earth. So this explosion of complex life puzzled Darwin, as evidenced in his writings, and this became known as Darwin's dilemma, since no Precambrian fossil evidence existed to prove the slow natural formation of these Cambrian life forms. And the contrast of the Cambrian period's rich fossil record with the barren Precambrian began to be known as Darwin's dilemma for its theory-shattering potential. So we have life exploding in the oceans, which happens on day or yom or era 5. God said, let the oceans teem with life. And this period of time was so small that it was like less than 0.5% of the Earth's overall history. So the Earth is 4.6, if the Earth, arguing that the Earth is 4.6 billion years old, this period of time where life exploded in the oceans is, less than 0.5%. And it makes up most of the major animal phyla or body plans that exist still to this day.